Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Okay, very simple video and a powerful video. Okay, please watch the whole video because this is going to be insane. This is going to be a crazy play on Tesla, and I want to explain my thoughts, everything, my technical analysis, and everything, keeping it as simple as possible and giving you guys as much information as possible for free. In return, all I ask for you in return is to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell. Okay, that is all that I'm asking in return for all this free content and education. Okay, let's talk about Tesla. I am loving this play. I'm going to be learning calls right around open, and I've made this video. Okay, I'm going to make this video because I was actually going to alert Tesla today. Okay, so again, keeping it as simple as possible. Why am I bullish on Tesla? Okay, well, patterns, again, psychological patterns, ascending triangle breakout. Okay, take notes. Why am I bullish on Tesla? Okay, the main point is ascending triangle breakout. What is a ascending triangle? Well, it looks like this triangle. Okay, the key thing is that we are making higher highs. Okay, so let me find my arrow tool. Okay, so as you can see, we're making higher highs. Okay, we're holding the support. Okay, support is the floor. Okay, and then we have the ceiling. We have this tight ceiling. We keep hitting it and we keep rejecting it. Okay, and then third time is the charm. Okay, third time is the charm. Keep that in mind. Okay, so we have touched this support around 3 times. Okay, 3 times, and then we've hit this resistance. So when we came in, 2, and then third, so right around over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's kind of like our 4th try. The more we try to break, okay, the more tries we have, the better success rate on that 5th try, 4th try, or whatever. Okay, but overall, okay, very simple ascending triangle breakout. What is going to be our price target? How do I determine our price target? Well, one thing is it's usually on contracts. If I hit like 50%, 20% on my contracts, I usually start scaling out and then leaving stop loss at break even. Leaving stop loss at break even. Just take notes, okay? Keep that in mind. So leaving stop loss at break even, okay? Because when we do break out, okay, the pump starts, but if for some reason we come back down, that is not going to look good. That is why we have a stop loss right over here. So this would be our stop loss. And then what is my price target? How do I determine price targets? Well, I look at the chart and I look at these wicks, okay? So this is going to be my price target for tomorrow, and this is going to be my price target for the week or for next week. Tesla looks primed. We have been trading flat for a couple months. We've been trading flat since around March and February. So this play looks very nice. Okay, I'm going to be comparing it to another chart. Okay, I love to compare all of the tech sectors over here. Okay, so we have Apple. Okay, so remember this ascending triangle. We had the symmetrical triangle. We had this ascending triangle. I've played all of these and I've alerted all of these on Discords. Okay, Tesla looks like right over here. How does a ascending triangle look? Okay, again, right over here is an example of a ascending triangle. Okay, right over here. But here we had greater news, so it is kind of unfair, but this pattern is very nice. One thing to keep in mind is that Tesla contracts are a little bit expensive, so you could spread them or even play shares, but Tesla looks very nice. So let's look at the percent. So it's around 5% if you're looking to swing shares, but overall, great simple video. Okay, hope you guys understand what I said, everything over here. An overall very simple video, why I'm bullish on Tesla and why it can literally break to all-time highs. The higher time frame the pattern is in, okay, so for example weekly, the stronger and more powerful it is. I do kind of see like a inverse head and shoulder right over here, but I'll be making another video on Amazon monthly chart. So hope you guys enjoyed this content. I'll be actually scaling in Amazon Leap debit spreads. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Again, in return, I'm just asking you to hit that subscribe and like button. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. I'll be uploading a ton more content on YouTube. I love to make YouTube videos, and thank you for watching.